Yo, what's up guys? It's Sticky Rice here, coming at you with a short little video on how to do some product photography for super cheap. So for starters, I don't really have enough space in my room, but I did make it work. So pretty much I ended up getting some cheap black fabric from like Michaels. I'm pretty much working with like a little tiny heat coaster. I'm also working with some plastic Tupperware, so pretty much if I can do it with pretty much anything I found in my house, I'm pretty sure you guys have the same thing going on in your house. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And then I forgot to add, I'm actually using this tiny little light. It's the only light I have, but it's a little power battery. Pretty dope, but it gets up pretty bright. So sometimes I just use it from afar, place it anywhere I want, and I get that lighting. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name is Sticky Rice. I hope you guys got something out of it, some little tips, tricks, and get inspired a little bit, because you can pretty much make your dreams come true by just putting a little effort and making your own product shot studio. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Sticky Rice, and I'm out. Peace.